Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining me for another Small Town America Dashcam Drive. Today we're exploring Norton, Virginia, a compact but historically rich city tucked into the heart of the Appalachian Mountains in far southwest Virginia. Our drive begins on Park Avenue, also known as Business Route 23, just past Norton Community Hospital, one of the largest hospitals in southwest Virginia and eastern Kentucky's coalfield area. From here, we'll head straight into downtown Norton, giving you a front-row view of what is essentially the city's main street, historic storefronts, and everyday life in this former coal town. Norton was founded in 1894, during the height of the coal and railroad boom, and holds the distinction of being Virginia's smallest independent city, which serves as a county equivalent in the hierarchy of Virginia local governments. As we roll through downtown, you'll notice classic brick buildings, local businesses, and civic structures that reflect Norton's late 19th and early 20th century growth. One building in particular stands out from the rest, and that's the Hotel Norton. Built in 1921, this colonial revival gem served to host both business and tourist travelers for 40 years. These travelers would have previously stayed in faraway cities such as Bristol, Virginia, Bluefield, West Virginia, and Knoxville, Tennessee. Our drive wraps up just past US 23 as we merge onto Alternate US-58 Eastbound, leaving downtown Norton behind and continuing deeper into southwest Virginia. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this short but scenic look at a proud Appalachian community on Dashcam Travels. Thanks for riding shotgun with me on today's drive. If you enjoy the ride, it would really help out the channel if you would subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment. If you want to be notified of new drives when they're released, you can also click the bell to be notified of new content. But most importantly, enjoy the ride. If you'd like to take a scenic and mountainous drive through southwestern Virginia on US 23, the Crooked Road, from Pound Gap at the Kentucky state line to Gate City on the Tennessee state line, click on the link above. Once again, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this short drive. As always, safe travels.